Hi guys, welcome to another interesting video. In this video I gonna unbox a new budget friendly mic. It's from Boya By-M1. Yes, and you are watching Tech Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's go. Guys, so many of you want to start career in YouTube. If you want, then this video is for you. First, I will tell you one thing. Your video contents are good, but your voice quality is bad. Then your YouTube channel doesn't grow. To solve this problem, you should have an external mic which is connected to your cam or your phone, your smartphone. If you are a starter, I will recommend you to go for a budget friendly mic instead of costly one like Rode Shotgun for cam and for smartphone. You can see Rode ordinary one. You keep here lavalier mic, that's called lavalier mic. Today I will going to unbox a new budget friendly mic. It comes from Boya By-M1. In this video, we will discuss about its build quality and its sound quality, both indoor and outdoor conditions, and its pros and cons. To know all this information, you should watch this video till the end. Don't miss it. Guys, today I bought this from Amazon. You can see Amazon Prime on the box, and also a sticker which indicates electrical device. Okay. Inside we can see Boya microphone box. Guys, front we have Boya branding lavalier microphone By-M1, and right side we can see for smartphone camera cards, DSLR, etc., and Boya branding also. At back we have features and specifications about the lavalier microphone. Guys, it's a omnidirectional condenser microphone, which means it receives sound from 360 degrees. Yeah, it's a good one. Let's open the box and look what will be inside. And we get at first we get a Boya branding leather pouch. It looks great. Inside we have a microphone which comes with 3.5 mm jack, some documentations about warranty information, and a quick guidance on how to use this lavalier microphone. A metal clip, 1x4 adapter, foam windscreen, and a LR44 battery. Now it's time to installation. Guys, slightly push this lapel clip inside, and the joint is made up of plastic. Be careful, it can be broken easily. Guys, gently push this foam and it will go smoothly. Guys, let's install a LR44 battery inside the microphone. Guys, no need to install a battery when you connected with your smartphone, but you should install a battery when you connected it with cam, otherwise it not receives your voice or sound. And guys, it's ready to use. With this mic you get around 20 feet wire. Yeah, it's very long and it's sufficient for everyone, and its build quality of its wire is very good. You can see how long it is, and top you can see the Boya branding, and down camera and smartphone modes. You can switch when you will use camera and when you will use smartphone mode. You can switch. And the clip was made up of metal. Guys, now sound test. Here my voice is captured by Poco X2 in an inbuilt mic, so you can observe that whether noise is coming or and I guess it it sounds worst and echo. My voice will be echo. You can observe it, and you know I will stop talking a couple of seconds, then you can observe whether any disturbance are coming or not, and outer noise is coming or not. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you listen all the outer noise, disturbance noise. Guys, now my voice is received from this Boya mic. I will test it. See. Sorry, listen. And I think it's very clear. My voice is clear to you, and it reduced outside noise, and also my voice is like professional, and I will be calm for few seconds, then you can understand how it works and how it sounds like. Yes, you are listened my Boya By-M1 mic, and this mic is directly connected to my Vivo S1 Pro mobile phone. Guys, I want to tell you one thing, that sound is a source and this mic is a receiver. I keep this mic towards source, then it sounds like this. You can listen, this sounds creepy, and it's not clear, and it disturbs the sound. Now you can listen my voice. This sounds like professional and clear. That's why I keep this mic away from my mouth. Because of its voice, you can see the voice change from here to here. That's where I keep this. Let's keep this. And next thing is this mic is good. Yeah. And we will switch to indoor to outdoor condition. Guys, now we will test the sound quality in outdoor condition, and this sound is captured by using Poco X2 inbuilt mic. And by listening this sound, you can observe that outside noise is dominating my voice. Because of that, I am speaking loudly. And okay, now I will be silent for a couple of seconds so you can understand more about this mic. And guys, now we will test the sound quality of Boya's lavalier mic, and it sounds like this. You can observe the difference by comparing it with Poco X2 inbuilt mic sound. And guys, it's a raw video. I'm not done any editing on this particular part of the video related to sound. Okay, and I'm talking normal, you can see, and I will be calm for few seconds, then you can understand more about this Boya By-M1 mic sound. Guys, now we will talk about its con, what we call disadvantages. And it's not a major issue, but by using this mic you will face one problem. It's due to its wire, because it's very long and it's around 20 feet long. And see how it became. To reset this you will waste 5 to 10 minutes, so it's a problem, I think so. And guys, I will give you the best buying link of this mic in the description below. There you can check it out. And that's it guys for today. I will be back in my next interesting video. Until then, take care. This is Jairam signing off. Jai Hind.